What up, y'all? It's Nadertrons from Nadertrons World, and today I just wanted to get on here and first of all I want to say sorry because I did not post a video on Friday last week. What am I doing? And second of all, I want to tell y'all I'm going to move to a different schedule once again. I know, but I got a big boy job, so I just don't have time to post 3 videos a week. Actually 4, including my gaming videos, but I haven't been posting them either. So, but yeah, so I'm going to move on to Friday and Monday and Friday again. So, you know, just be on the lookout for that, I guess. I also wanted to show y'all, because it's coming up, you know, literally this weekend. So, but I wanted to show y'all because I'm all over the place. Sorry. This weekend I'm doing the work at Creepyworks, which is a haunted house. It is the best haunted house in Faulkner County, which is the county that I happen to abide in. I got a little bit of a travels, you know, to get to the haunted house, but you know, it's worth it. I like it. I like the haunted house. I like the people that work there, but I just wanted to kind of get on here, not only let y'all know that I'm going to be doing that, but I also, hold on, sorry, I also have my outfit ready. Got the black pants, you know, got the nice plaid shirt, you know how it is, and then the mask, yeah, and then the boots. Now you might be like, dude, that kind of looks like a normal outfit. That's not even scary, but it'll be scary because I gotta find it. I don't know where it is. Hold on. Here it is. I have an axe. Get kind of a lumberjack vibe going on, you know? So, that's cool, right? Fit. Boom. Hold on. Let's see it from this side. Sorry, guys. Boom. Yeah. I'm gonna scare people. For real, I'm gonna scare people. They're gonna be scared. Anyways, bye.